Hi, my name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to make edits to your product catalog CSV to upload to Lightspeed. We'll start with the basics of editing spreadsheets to help make sure you're confident in updating your catalog in the future. When importing products to your catalog, Lightspeed converts the data from the uploaded import file into products and categories in your online store. The file you upload to Lightspeed will need to be in CSV file format. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It is a universally used file format to store tables and spreadsheet information that originally uses commas as delimiters. Delimiters are the character, such as a comma or tab, that separates information in a file. You can recognize a CSV file by the .csv extension. When making edits to a CSV file, it is easiest to use a spreadsheet editor such as Excel, Numbers, or Google Sheets. The default program will most likely be a text editor, but these can be difficult to read. In plain text editors, the delimiters are visible, and in spreadsheet editors, they are converted into column borders. This allows you to view the information as a table so you can update it easily. In general, each row in your product spreadsheet is dedicated to a specific product, and columns are dedicated to certain attributes that belong to the product, such as a name, SKU, or price. Here you can see if I want to make changes to my hair care box, I will find the row that corresponds to my hair care box, and then I will make the changes to the columns that need to be updated, such as the price. To upload a CSV to Lightspeed, you need to make sure that the file meets certain specifications, which you can find in our Help Center. If you are creating new products, you must include the product's name as well as any other information that you want entered into your catalog. For example, I will add in a new bundle that includes all of the basic skincare products from my store. To do this, first I will create a new row that corresponds to the new product. Then I will add in the name of the product, the SKU, product description, photos, and any other information I would like the product to have in my store. When making changes to an existing catalog, you only need to include a product identifier, such as product ID or SKU, as well as the information you would like to update. If you exclude a column from the file, it will not be overwritten. All non-identifying columns that are not being changed can be deleted from the spreadsheet, which makes it much easier to look at. For example, let's say instead of adding a new product, I want to make updates to my catalog's pricing because of an update to shipping prices. After exporting the product spreadsheet, I can remove all of the columns that are not relevant to the pricing update or identifying the product. Lightspeed will not override the product data that is not included in the spreadsheet. Now I'll update the prices of my products and export the file as a CSV document. Now all you need to do is upload the document to Lightspeed. If you need help with that, you can watch our tutorial on uploading product CSVs to Lightspeed. To learn more about importing certain product attributes as well as product variations, options, files, or even store categories, please refer to the Help Center to see dedicated case studies.